Okay, I'm loving all play to earn projects, and I can say that I love them equally because some have been very profitable for me, not just investing in the token. Well, the minority investing in the token, the majority of me trying to figure out games to play and my team to play games for me. So invest in the NFTs, in breeding, in probabilities, if there's any rarity system. And here is a new game that is hot right now on CoinMarketCap. It's called MetaPets. It's up 9% on the day. Let me know what the price said when you're watching the video. Is it up or down from this point? And you can actually buy it on PancakeSwap. Hopefully they're added to AMXC soon because AMXC currently have the event where you can win a Tesla. Sign up using my link in the description down below. So we'll talk about MetaPets within the video. Just smash the like button or I'll slap you. Subscribe. I'm trying to hit 50,000 subscribers. If you subscribe, the cool thing is you learn about the hottest newest tokens first before anyone else. Any crypto related news, you learn them first. Yeah, no financial advice. Let's talk about MetaPets. Starting off with their website. A new world, a new pet. With MetaPets, you can find your forever friend who will always be with you in the metaverse. I love the fact that they're primarily on the Binance Smart Chain. Do they have cross-chain? I don't know, but they have 30 coins, which is very interesting for 1 mil volume a day project. Keep your pet engaged. MetaPets games. MetaPet games will be a way to engage the community and help them build a relationship in a fun and competitive way. NFT games where you can train your MetaPets, dress them, and breed them are some of the many ways you'll be able to give love and care for your new friend constantly. You have custom pets. There's going to be a D-app, customizable pets, metaverse, about us. Here's the team, the roadmap. They have a roadmap for 2023, which is interesting. Merch store, merch giveaways. In general, I'm not happy with roadmaps having merch. Reflection tracker, NFT release. We're waiting for the NFTs primarily. The staking and all of that will happen in the next quarters. So what can we say about the price? Let's go over the price. I'll use a test MetaMask account that I have just for this. Yeah, I might buy some with it to test the liquidity. Let's see how everything is going there. I want to also see the our whales buying or selling the token right now. Liquidity is 1.5 mil. I'm not happy with these things right here. Let's go on the 3-hour chart or the, what chart can I go to? From the PooCoin app. Well, it's definitely bottomed out and is trying to push again. It's definitely above the 21 EMA again. And I want to see if whales are acquiring at this point. Because we saw a, yeah, it seems like 1,000 is the bottom and we doubled from there, and we'll open up 2 or 3 wallets. I might just buy some right now, by the way, some of the token. I'm really thinking about it, but I gotta switch computers for that. So this whale has been acquiring, which is very interesting. He sold some but bought a lot more. Very bullish. This whale has, yeah, he bought 70 days ago and he's holding. This whale has bought some. Yeah, I'm bullish, to be honest. That's just my opinion. So I might buy some from my phone, from another wallet. I will now sit in a few places as well. But yeah, I'm bullish on this one. See you next video. I'll buy some and I will alert my Telegram group first. Hopefully you saw the video fast enough. This video is not financial advice. Bye.